So I've been coming out here wondering why all these crawfish are crossing the road where it's flooding. I mean, there's tons of them. And then there you go. Hang on, I don't know if I'll be able to get on video. They're so small. There's baby crawfish. See if I can get one on video. Here goes. The sun's shining on the screen on my phone, so I can't see if it's in the picture or not. It took me a minute to cover it up. Cover up the sun. I mean, they're crawling out of the water and going in there. Don't know why. Other than mating or getting their babies across, I don't know.